5 shocking bacon mistakes that damage your health. Dangerous habits most people never question. Sizzling bacon filled my kitchen every Sunday morning for decades. The familiar ritual of frying strips in a hot pan seemed harmless enough. Then my cardiologist pointed at my latest lab results and asked a question that changed everything. How do you prepare your bacon? What he revealed about common preparation mistakes shocked me completely. That conversation revolutionized my understanding of processed meat safety. Mistake number 5 involves cooking bacon at temperatures that create carcinogenic compounds. High heat transforms nitrates into nitrosamines, potent cancer-causing chemicals. According to research published in the Journal of Food Protection, temperatures above 300 degrees Fahrenheit can increase nitrosamine formation by 400%. Here's what terrified me about my cooking method. Pan-frying bacon until crispy was maximizing harmful compound formation. The browning and shirring I thought made bacon delicious were actually making it dangerous. Mistake number 4 reveals the storage error that breeds deadly bacteria. Leaving cooked bacon at room temperature allows Clostridium perfringens multiplication rapidly. This bacteria thrives in the temperature danger zone and causes severe food poisoning. The USDA confirms that improper storage leads to thousands of hospitalizations annually. My family had been storing leftover bacon incorrectly for years unknowingly. Keeping it uncovered in the refrigerator exposed it to cross-contamination. This practice compromised safety while reducing quality significantly. Mistake number 3 exposes the timing combination that blocks nutrient absorption. Eating bacon with iron-rich foods prevents proper mineral utilization dramatically. The phosphates in processed bacon bind iron and zinc in the digestive system. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows this can reduce iron absorption by up to 50%. My breakfast routine of bacon with spinach and fortified cereals was sabotaging my mineral status. Chronic fatigue that had puzzled multiple doctors suddenly made sense. The phosphate interference explained my persistent deficiency symptoms. Mistake number 2 reveals the frequency error that accumulates health damage. Daily bacon consumption overwhelms the liver's detoxification capacity systematically. Processed meat nitrates require extensive hepatic processing to neutralize safely. The World Health Organization classifies processed meats as Group 1 carcinogens with daily consumption. My habit of eating bacon 5 days weekly had been taxing my detox systems. Elevated liver enzymes on blood tests reflected this excessive burden. The cumulative damage develops silently over years. Mistake number 1 uncovers the most dangerous selection criterion surprisingly. Choosing bacon based on price often means selecting products with maximum harmful additives. Cheaper brands contain higher nitrate levels, artificial preservatives, and low-quality meat. The Food and Drug Administration allows concerning additive levels in budget products. My grocery shopping focused on sales rather than ingredient quality. Reading labels revealed shocking differences between premium and discount bacon varieties. The savings came at a tremendous health cost. Proper cooking techniques minimize harmful compound formation while preserving flavor. Gentle oven baking at 275 degrees Fahrenheit reduces nitrosamine production significantly. This temperature cooks bacon thoroughly while preventing dangerous chemical reactions. The slower method produces better texture without health risks. My transformation began with changing cooking methods systematically. Oven-baked bacon became my preferred preparation for reduced toxin exposure. The gentler heat eliminated harsh compounds while maintaining taste satisfaction. Storage solutions prevent contamination while maintaining safety standards longer. Immediate refrigeration after cooking prevents bacterial multiplication effectively. Airtight containers protect against cross-contamination from other foods. Proper storage extends safe consumption periods while preserving quality. Frequency guidelines balance enjoyment with long-term health preservation realistically. Limiting bacon to once weekly allows liver detoxification between exposures. This frequency permits occasional indulgence without overwhelming natural defense systems. Moderation prevents the cumulative damage from excessive consumption. My energy levels improved dramatically after reducing bacon frequency to weekends only. Liver function tests normalized within 6 months of dietary modification. The reduced toxic load allowed better overall metabolism. Quality selection criteria identify safer options within processed meat categories.